Hi, I'm Megha. I've chosen to go organic for a tasty, healthy and sustainable life. Check out i2cook.com. We have gone organic, so can you. Hi, I'm Megha. Welcome to Calorie Watch. Today we'll be making some mango salsa. To know more, stay tuned. Ingredients for making this easy peasy mango salsa are 1 big size mango chopped, 5 to 6 cherry tomatoes halved, half a teaspoon of lime juice, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of jalapenos chopped, half medium onions chopped, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves chopped. So let's start by mixing the ingredients. Here is a bowl of mangoes. There goes our tomatoes, onions, lime juice, jalapenos and some salt to taste. So lastly we add the coriander leaves and mix well. Our salsa is now ready to eat. All the summer colors in and it looks really beautiful and colorful. You can also add cucumbers to it to negate onions, because a lot of people I know don't like onions in their salad. And now it can be served in your serving dish. So now our mango salsa is ready to eat with all the summer colors in it. You can have it with nachos, you can have them with crackers, or you can straight away have it as it is. To more such recipes, subscribe to India Food Network and we look forward to your comments and feedback.